Want to buy or sell digital services fast? Here's Eldorado.gg, a quick beginner guide for 2025. We'll set up an account, explore listings, and complete a purchase. Click Sign Up, enter email, pick a username, verify your inbox. Use the Explore tab to browse categories and trending services. Open filters to sort by price, delivery time, and seller rating. Inspect descriptions, delivery terms, and seller reviews before committing. Click Order, choose Extras, confirm payment method, and place the order. To sell, create a gig, add clear images, set packages and delivery times. Use the chat for clarifications and request revisions inside the order page. Leave honest ratings, open a dispute if a delivery violates the terms. Enable two-factor, connect integrations, and save favorite sellers for quick access. Sign up today or explore features on Eldorado.gg. Start trading smarter.